Welcome to the Logan County Event Center. I'm glad you got out of school today so you could come here. You have a wonderful day, be safe, and learn a lot about why water is important. Thank you.
We just finished the Northeast Colorado Children's Water Festival. We had representation from so many schools across the Sedgwick, Morgan, Logan, and Washington counties in the northeast corner. We had so many sponsors come forth to make this event very special. We had presenters come from different areas of the state to give equitable education through a fun format like a festival to these students. This event was planned by Colorado Rural Water Association, Northern Water, Lower South Platte Water Conservancy District, and CSU Logan County Extension. We want to give a huge shout out to Logan County Fairgrounds here in Sterling, Colorado. Not only did they provide widespread facilities for all of the students running around, but also staffing and event materials. The water festivals for children in this area of Colorado have been going on since as early as 2012. We picked back up again in around 2016, and then with the pandemic, we had a virtual festival. This is the largest festival that has happened so far, with over 430 kids present and 4 different counties. We are so proud of the students who attended today. We are so grateful for their attendance and what the future looks like for them. These are going to be our future stewards of the environment, our farmers, ranchers, water conservationists, water operators, scientists, and the list goes on. Water touches every career in some way or another, and we can't believe we started with 5th graders up here in the rural areas of Colorado. There are water festivals that occur all over the state of Colorado, and we wanted to make sure that we touched the northeast corner. So 5th graders in this area can see how water touches every career, and they become our future stewards of water conservation. We also had incredible planners that had all of this come together, and this opportunity was made possible by so many various people. Thank you to the schools and principals for sending your students.
Thank you!
You're so welcome.